Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy PC. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. Question 2. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find your solutions if they exist by the elimination method. So here elimination method is mentioned over here. So we will be using only elimination method and finding the solutions. So now let's move on to the question. Subdivision 1, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is a fraction? So here, let me just explain you. See, it is given if we add 1 to the numerator. So if we add the numerator plus 1 and subtract from 1 from the denominator, that is denominator minus 1, the fraction reduces to 1. The fraction reduces to 1. So next, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So in first case, what we are doing, we are adding 1 to the numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator to get 1. If we add 1 to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. So now, solution, let the number in numerator be x and let the number in the denominator be y. So therefore the required fraction is x divided by y. So in first case, what is happening? We are adding 1 to the numerator and subtracting 1 from the denominator so that we are getting 1. So according to the first case, let me have x and y. Okay, so we are adding 1 to the numerator, it means plus 1, and we are subtracting 1 from the denominator, so minus 1. So the fraction becomes 1. Reduces to 1 or becomes 1 is same. So now let us simplify this equation. So x plus 1 is equal to, I will just cross multiply. This is in the form of 1 by 1. No? So I am just cross multiplying it. So y minus 1. So let me have variables in one side and numbers in one side. So x minus y is equal to minus 1 becomes minus 2. So let me have this as equation 1. The next case, they are saying that it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Only to the denominator we are adding 1, so that we will be getting the answer as 1 by 2. So x, y we are adding 1 to the denominator so that we get 1 by 2 as the answer. So now let me cross multiply. So 2x is equal to y plus 1. So let me have the variables in one side. So 2x minus y is equal to 1. Let this be equation 2. So if I check the coefficient of y, no, it is same, isn't it? So here also is 1, here also it is 1. So directly I can just do. So by using elimination method, you have to mention so equation 1 implies x minus y is equal to minus 2. Yes, so my equation 2 implies 2x minus y is equal to 1. So in order to subtract, so I will be subtracting. Okay, you have to mention it over here. So I will be changing the sign. So minus, plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So this part minus y and plus y will get cancelled, and here x minus 2y into x minus 2x is minus x is equal to minus minus, same sign, I didn't put the common sign, so the common sign is minus over here, it is 3. So x is equal to minus x is equal to minus 3 now, so therefore minus and minus will get cancelled, so x is equal to 3. This is the answer for x. So now I will be substituting in any one of this equation. So let me substitute in equation 1. So substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So my equation 1 implies x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now my x is 3. So minus y is equal to minus 2. So minus y is equal to minus 2. Plus goes to the other side, it becomes minus. So minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 5. So y is equal to 5. Minus and minus will get cancelled. No? So only. So therefore the required fraction is 3 by 5. No, so the numerator is 3, denominator is equal to 5. That's it. Subdivision 2. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So this type of question we have already learned in the last exercise. No? So once more let me read. 5 years ago, before 5 years, Nuri's age was thrice as old as Sonu. So Nuri's age is equal to 3 times of Sonu's age. Okay. So next what they are saying is that 10 years later, after 10 years, Nuri's age will be twice as old as Sonu. 2 times Sonu's age. That's it. Okay. So now let's move on to the solution part. Solution. Let the age of Nuri be x and let the age of Sonu be y. Okay, so now what have they said? According to the first case, 5 years ago, before 5 years, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. I already said in the previous question, no, if age sums are given, just write x is equal to y. Okay, so next write 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, you have to write this only first. So 5 years ago means the age minus 5 gives us the age before 5 years. So minus 5. It is not 5 minus x, it is x minus 5 and y minus 5. So Nuri's age is this one, no, before 5 years. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So it means before 5 years, she was 3 times, so age of Sonu. So before 5 years, Sonu's age was y minus 5. No, so thrice of that age. So now I will simplify it. So x minus y is equal to 3y minus 15. So now I will have my variables in one side and numbers in one side. So I will have x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5. So that x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. So let this be equation 1. So in the second case, what they are saying, 10 years later. So first let us write x and y. So x equal to y. Leave some space so that you will be able to write the numbers like this. So 10 years later is given. So 10 years later means after 10 years. So after 10 years, Nuri's age will be x plus 10 and Sonu's age will be y plus 10. So plus 10 in both the sides. Okay, so what is given? 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as Sonu. So twice as Sonu. This is Sonu's age. Not to 2 into y plus 10. So now let us start simplifying it. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. So let me have variables and numbers in one side. So x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y is equal to 10. So let this be equation 2. By using elimination method, see here, if I just check the coefficient of x in first equation and second equation, it is same. So I can just cancel these two. No? So directly I will write subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So what is my equation 1 here? X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. And my second equation is x minus 2y is equal to 10. So now I will be subtracting. In order to subtract, what I should do? I should change the sign. So minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So I will be cancelling this part. So minus 3y plus 2y will become minus y is equal to, here it is minus 20. So minus and minus will get cancelled. So y is equal to 20. So now I will be substituting y value in equation 1 or 2. So substitute y is equal to 20 in equation 2. So my equation 2 implies x minus 2y is equal to 10. Yes, so I don't know the value of x only. So 2 into what is my y? 20 is equal to 10. So x minus 40 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10. 9 goes to the other side. It becomes plus. So plus 40. So my x is equal to 50. So therefore, the present age of Nuri is x, no, so that is 50, and the present age of Sonu is 20. That's it. Subdivision 3, the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So see, what is given is that the sum of the digits of the two-digit number is 9. Okay, so if we take any two-digit number, no, for example, if we take any number, say 22, so this is a two-digit number, isn't it? This is called a two-digit number. So if we add these two, we will be getting a number that is 9. Okay, it's just like that they are saying. For example, only I said this. So in order to explain this first statement. Next, what they are saying is that 9 times this number. Which number? This two-digit number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. That is, let me explain you with x and y. So solution. Let the number in one's place be x. Okay, ones place, tens place, you know, no? That is what ones place over here. So let the number in tens place be y. Okay, so if we have any two-digit number, it is called ones place and this is called tens place. No, so that is what I have taken. This is ones place, x in ones place, that is here, and here it is y. So this is ones place, this is tens place over here. then the required number is equal to tens place. No, it means like it is 10 into y. Okay, so then only we will get it in tens place. So 10y plus what is my x over here? It is in ones place, so I can just write dx. Okay, so this is the required number, that is the original number. So it is given that if we add these two numbers, that is x plus y is equal to 9. So here we need not to write 10y, because see, for example, if we take 27, okay, so this is 20 plus 7. Yes, so I'm right, so that's what I'm just writing here. It will be 2 into 10 plus 7. No, so that's what I just wrote, 10y plus x. So I think this will be clear for you. So now if I just add this to, no, these two numbers only they are asking. So it is xy, no, yx. So this is of the form yx. Now, so I just split it this and written over here. Okay, so if I add these two numbers, 2 plus 7 gives me 9. Yes, so that's what I just took, x plus y, not 10y plus x. Okay, so that's what I just took it like this. You have to be very, very clear, and let this be equation 1. In the second case, what they're saying is that 9 times this number. Which number? This number. Okay, so now let's write 9 into what is this number? 10y plus x is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order. What is reversed order for this? It is 10x plus y. No, so the reversed order for 27, it is 72. So this should be written as 70 plus 2. So that is 7 into 10 plus 2. Yes, so I will be just writing this. So 10x plus y. So twice the number obtained. No, so 2 times. So now we have to find this number only. So now let's simplify this equation. So 90y plus 9x is equal to 20x plus 2y. So let me have everything in one side. So 90y plus 9x minus 20x minus 2y is equal to 0. So 90y minus 2y, it is 88. So 88y minus, so plus minus, no, minus is greater number sign. So I'm just writing it over here. So 20 minus 9, it is 11. X is equal to 0. So now I have this as common multiples. No, so 11 8s are 88, and so it is 88y, and minus 11 one times is 11. So x is equal to 0. So let this be equation 2. So I have equation 1 and 2. If I check my coefficient of x, it is same. No, so 1 1. So therefore I will be using elimination method and subtracting these two equations. So by using elimination method, so since I have equation 1 and equation 2, so equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 9 and minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. So since the signs of x is plus over here and minus is here, it is different, no? So therefore directly I can just cancel. I need not to subtract anything. So therefore this part will get cancelled, and over here it is 9y. Y plus 8y is 9y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 divided by 9, it is 1. So now I will be substituting y is equal to 1 in equation 2. So my equation 2 implies minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. No. So therefore 8 into what is my y? It is 1. So is equal to x. So x is equal to 8. So I have found the value of 9 as well as y as well as 8. Okay. So therefore the number in one's place equal to x is equal to 8 and the number in tens place is equal to y is equal to 1. So therefore the required number is equal to 10y plus x. No, so therefore 10 into 1 plus 8. So therefore the required number is 18. That's it. Subdivision 4. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So here what is given here is that Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. Okay, so the total amount here it is 2000 and she also asked only for 50 rupees and 100 rupees note only. So we don't know how much 50 rupees and how much 100 rupees notes she got, so we have to find that only. So we have to have that as x. And one more information is given here is that there were totally 25 notes. Altogether 25 notes were there, so that 25 notes together had the amount of 2000 rupees. So solution, let the number of rupees 50 notes be x. So then the number of rupees 100 notes be y. Okay, so the total number of 50 rupees is x, the total number of 100 rupees note is y. So now according to the question in first case, it is total amount is 2000. So she asked only for 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note. No, so 50 rupees, so much of 50 rupees note and so much of 100 rupees note gives us rupees 2000. Now, so let me have 50 into what is the number of notes, that is x, plus 100 rupees note, it is y is equal to 2000. Okay, so now we can also simplify this. If you want, you can just leave it like this, or else you can simplify. So if we simplify, if you just look into this equation, this everything is a multiple of 50. So we can divide throughout by 50. So 50 by 50 it is 1. So x plus 100 divided by 50 it is 2. So 2y is equal to 2000 divided by 50 it is 40. So 40. So this is equation 1. So according to the next case, there were totally how many notes? 25 notes. So number of 50 rupees note plus number of 100 rupees note gives us 25 notes. So the next equation will be x plus y is equal to 25. So this is equation 2. So now we will be using elimination method. Okay, so here if we just look into equation 1 and 2, the coefficient of x is same over here. So directly we can just subtract. So subtract equation 2 from 1. So equation 1 implies x plus 2y is equal to 40 and my equation 2 implies x plus y is equal to 25. So just subtract this, so plus will become minus. So this part will get cancelled. So 2 minus y it is. Y is equal to 40 minus 25, it is 15. So y is equal to 15. So now substitute y in equation 2. Substitute y is equal to 15 in equation 2. So equation 2 implies x plus y is equal to 25. No. So x we don't know and y is equal to 15. So 25, x is equal to 25 minus 15, it is 10. So therefore 10. So what is our x? Number of 50 rupees note, and y is number of 100 rupees note. Therefore the number of rupees 50 notes is 50 rupees note is x, no, so 10, and the number of rupees 100 notes is 15. That's it. Subdivision 5. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Sissy paid 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So here what is given that a lending library has a fixed charge. So fixed charge is there, plus for this fixed charge is only for first 3 days. So for the remaining days they have some each per day so much of charge they have. So we have to find this fixed charge and per day what is the charge, that only we have to find. And here it is given that Sarita paid rupees 27 for the book she kept for 7 days. Okay, so in that 7 days, first 3 days there is a fixed charge, and after that per day we have to find the amount. And next it is given that Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. So for in that 5 days, first 3 days there is a fixed charge, and per day what is the charge we have to find. So solution, let the fixed charge be x and the charge per day be y. So then what will happen to the equation? So 27 rupees for 7 days. It means that 7 days, first 3 days will be for the fixed charge. And what is remaining? So 4. For these 4 days only we will be calculating. So x will have the first 3 days plus the next 4 days. No, so here 4y. So fixed charge is x. So for first 3 days is over here. So the next 4 days is multiplied with y, that is a charge per day is equal to 27. This is 27 rupees. So let this be equation 1. So next what they are saying is that the total amount is 21 and she kept for 5 days. So in that 5 days, first 3 days is for fixed charge and the next 2 days is for the charge per day, the amount will be paid. So x plus 2y is equal to 21. So let this be equation 2. So now we will be using elimination method. If you check this coefficient, it is same. So directly we can subtract. So by using elimination method, subtract equation 2 from 1. You can also subtract 1 from 2. So equation 1 implies x plus 4y is equal to 27. And equation 2 implies x plus 2y is equal to 21. Subtract this so that this part will get cancelled. So 4y minus 2y, it is 2y, is equal to 27 minus 21 is 6. So y is equal to 3. So now we will be substituting this in equation 2. Substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 2. So equation 2 implies x plus 2y is equal to 21. So x plus 2y is 3. So 2 3s are 6 is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 minus 6. So 21 minus 6. So x is equal to 15. So our x is fixed charge and charge per day is 3. So therefore the fixed charge for first 3 days. 3 days is rupees 15. You have to write it in rupees only, no? So then the charge per day is rupees 3. That's it. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment box.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.